Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Monday, June the 16th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures climbed on Monday, eyeing a rebound as jitters over widening in the Israel-Iran conflict started to recede despite exchanges of missile strikes throughout the weekend. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 0.5%, while those on the S&P 500 moved up 0.6%. Contracts tied to the Nasdaq 100 gained 0.8%. The cautious optimism follows a bruising Friday session that saw the Dow plunge more than 700 points in a broad risk-off move. Meanwhile, oil prices edged lower after jumping in the wake of the latest attacks, having surged last week to their highest levels since January. Number 2. The focus at this week's Federal Reserve meeting is on whether policymakers are still committed to 2 interest rate cuts this year. The Fed's latest round of projections, released Wednesday, will include the much-studied plot, a chart updated quarterly that shows each Fed official's prediction about the direction of the central bank's benchmark interest rate. Number 3. Shares of Sarepta plunged almost 40% in pre-market trading on Monday after the company said a second patient died of liver failure while taking its experimental gene therapy, Elevidys. Sarepta paused its clinical trial and halted shipments of the treatment to patients who are unable to walk. Number 4. Donald Trump said it's possible Israel and Iran could reach an agreement, but the two sides may need to continue fighting before they're ready to broker a peace deal. Today, Trump is in Canada for the Group of 7 summit, where leaders will try to avoid conflict with him and address the escalating tension in the Middle East. Number 5. Shares of Dish Network and Boost Mobile parent EchoStar are surging nearly 50% in pre-market trading on a report that President Donald Trump met with Federal Communications Commission (FCC) officials regarding the company's spectrum licenses. Bloomberg reported that Trump met with FCC Chairman Brendan Carr to urge the agency to resolve its dispute with EchoStar's regulatory compliance. Earlier this month, the Wall Street Journal reported that the company was considering filing for bankruptcy amid the dispute. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.